Family disputes can arise from disagreements due to inheritance, marriages, divorce, child custody, property ownership, financial support, family businesses, or caregiving responsibilities. Because family relations are deeply personal and long-lasting, resolving conflict through the court should generally be the last option that should be taken after other alternative dispute resolution methods have been explored. Below are detailed reasons why this should be so. Number one, court cases can permanently damage family relationships. When family members take each other to court, they become legal opponents rather than collaborators. That generally can create an us versus them kind of mentality in the family. Number two, litigation encourages blame and accusations. Number three, it increases bitterness and resentment. Number four, it makes reconciliation more difficult. Number five, it can divide extended family members into opposing sides. For instance, a dispute over inherited property may lead to siblings not speaking with each other for decades after the judgment, even if one side wins. Litigation is often expensive. Court proceedings involve expensive financial costs. Some of the expenses you may include attorney or legal representation fees, court filing fees, cost of obtaining evidence or documents, expert witnesses fees where applicable, transportation and accommodation expenses during hearing. The consequences of this are that it causes financial strain on family members, depletion of family assets, reduced funds available for children, education, or healthcare. Court processes can take a long time. Family disputes are rarely resolved quickly through litigation. This is so because of multiple court appearances, adjournment and postponement of court proceedings, gathering evidences and documentation for court hearings, even appeals by dissatisfied parties. Trust me to say that this will definitely cause you prolonged uncertainty, increased stress and anxiety, delayed access to justice, be it property or financial resources. Emotional stress is always significant. Family disputes are emotionally charged even before legal actions begins. Number one, anxiety and depression would set in. Anger and frustration would also set in. Loss of trust amongst family members. Mental exhaustion from prolonged conflicts. Now, who are the people that are affected by this conflict? It is the children, the parents, grandparents, siblings, and other close relatives in the family. Court decisions create winners and losers. Now, in every judgment, decisions are made based on legal principles and evidence is placed before the court. The effect of this is that one party will win while the other party will definitely lose. Now, family members may harbor resentment, especially those ones who may lose in this legal battle. The effect is that even when a case is legally resolved, emotional wounds often remain. Family disputes are better often resolved through communication. Now, many disputes in families stem from poor communication or misunderstandings. The benefits of direct dialogue cannot be overemphasized. They include clarification of misunderstandings. Communication allows each person to express concerns. It encourages empathy and understanding amongst family members. Communication builds trust and cooperation amongst disputing parties in the family. For effective communication to take place, you must be able to explore active listening, respectful language, patience. You must focus on solutions rather than blame. Mediation provides a more cooperative alternative in family disputes. It involves a neutral third party helping disputant family resolve their disputes. This dispute resolution method is less expensive, faster in nature, it is more private and confidential, greater flexibility in crafting solutions. Most importantly, it preserves relationships. At the end of the day, the parties have a mutually acceptable agreement, reduced hostility, better long-term family harmony. Family counseling can address underlying issues. Sometimes conflicts are rooted on emotional concerns rather than legal issues. Counseling helps to improve communication. It resolves long-lasting grievances. It manages emotions effectively. Counseling promotes healing and understanding. Counseling is suitable for parent-child conflict, marital disagreements, sibling disputes, caregiving conflicts. Children benefit more when parents avoid hot battles. This is so because children are often the ones affected most by family disputes and court battles. Some of these potential harm to children include emotional stress, academic difficulties, behavioral problems, feeling of guilt or responsibility, strained relationship with parents. When cooperative resolution methods are used, the family have greater stability for the children, reduce stress, healthier family relationships, better emotional development. Privacy is better protected outside the courtrooms. Court proceedings may involve the disclosure of sensitive family information. This is so because court proceedings are public documents and may be accessed by anybody on demand. So when personal matters are made public, it causes damage to the family reputation most times. Alternatives such as mediation are used to settle family disputes. In mediation, confidential discussions are guaranteed. There is greater control over information shared, and protection of family privacy is guaranteed. Flexible solutions are easier to achieve outside the courts. The courts generally are limited to remedies provided by the law, but other alternative dispute mechanisms can create customized agreements, allow creative compromises, address emotional as well as financial concerns, and consider the interests of all family members. The court should be used when necessary, even though it should generally be the last option, but there are situations where legal options are unavoidable. For instance, when it's a case of domestic violence or abuse, child neglect or endangerment, refusal to cooperate in negotiations, violations of legal rights, urgent protection orders, serious fraud or financial misconduct. In such cases, the courts play a vital role in ensuring safety, justice, and legal protection. Finally, family disputes should ideally be resolved through communication, negotiation, mediation, or counseling before resorting to litigation. Going to court can be expensive, time-consuming, emotionally draining, and potentially damaging to family relationships. By pursuing cooperative and constructive approaches first, families are more likely to preserve relationships, protect the children, save resources, and achieve lasting solution. However, when safety, legal rights, or serious misconduct are involved, such interventions may become necessary and appropriate. This is Alpha Dialogue. Thanks for staying with us. We'll see you again on our next post. If this video resonates with you, please hit that follow button. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. Like it and leave your comments behind. We're always there at the comment section to interact with you. Thank you.